The date is the 3rd of February 2023. This is how we take out the agarwood from the main tree and how we take agarwood or oil chips from the white wood. First of all, you will remove the white wood from the block. Okay, after doing this, you will get wood like this. Wood that contains agarwood here. You see? Agarwood. This is what you have to do carving. Wood like this, where you have to do carving to bring out the agarwood. Okay? Like this. The excess wood here, you have to take it, and we have to take it to the processing to make oil chips. So we put the excess wood here and we turn it to oil chips. Okay? Ideally, whatever wood has got streaks of oil, like this, then we use this kind of wood to do oil chips. Okay, this wood is still very wet, so it has to be dried for about 1 week under the sun. So after drying, you will take about 20 kilograms of wood like this, and then you will have to grind it into sawdust. So we go to the grinder. Okay. The idea is to get from this is to get this, and you have to grind it. This is the small grinder that we have. Okay, start. After grinding, you will get fine sawdust. Saya buka tengok. You have to turn the wood chips into sawdust to get the maximum or the optimum wood from these wood chips. If it comes in big pieces, you will not get very good wood. This is what it looks like. There. This kind of sawdust will give you very good wood. This sawdust will have to be immersed in water for about 3 to 6 days to break up the molecules, and this is what it looks like. The sawdust will be put inside the distillation pot, and this is what it looks like after being immersed in water for about 3 to 6 days. Then after that, we will start cooking for another 6 days with three cylinders of gas, just to get about 24 to 30 ml of wood. Yeah. So that's the whole process from the wood block, taking out the agarwood, taking the excess wood to be selected to select wood, oil chips, and then drying of the oil chips, and then grinding into sawdust and immersion in water for a few days, and then you start cooking and you will get good wood.